Hello everyone, this is Psych in Action. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about AI. Since the rise of ChatGPT, many powerful AI systems have emerged, like Claude, Llama, DeepSeek, and more. With these advancements, it almost feels like AI is going to take over everything we do, from writing and problem solving to even tasks once thought exclusive to humans. But is this true? Should we be worried that AI will replace us? And hey, before you start picturing a full-blown AI apocalypse straight out of Terminator or The Matrix, take a deep breath. We're about to uncover some surprising truths about AI, the human brain, and intelligence. And furthermore, discuss how we're actually different in ways and what this wave of new era tech revolution means to us. Let's start with a reality check. People often talk about AI like it's some kind of magic, capable of solving all our problems or even replacing us. Big claims, right? But what does AI actually do? It's basically a tool, running on well-programmed algorithms and an astonishing number of GPUs worldwide, designed to perform specific tasks. Sure, its processing speed is mind-blowing. AI works at the speed of light because it's based on electricity, while our neurons slog along at a mere 70 meters per second. But speed doesn't mean it understands what it's doing. Now think about your brain. It's a complex web of 100 billion neurons, each forming thousands of connections. That's trillions of links working together. Even the most advanced chip doesn't come close to replicating this complexity. Why? Because human brains don't just process data. They create meaning, they innovate, and they adapt. More importantly, brains thrive on ambiguity and emotional context, factors AI cannot replicate. Sure, AI processes faster, but humans have the upper hand when it comes to depth and creativity. Ever noticed how we can focus on one thing, draw connections between unrelated ideas, and even come up with entirely new concepts? That's because our brains don't just pass information in one direction, they loop it, evaluate it, and refine it. Psychologists call this metacognition, thinking about our own thinking. AI, by contrast, runs on fixed circuits and utilizes so-called neural networks and deep learning methods. These technologies simulate interconnected layers of data processing that attempt to mimic some aspects of human cognition. However, while these systems can identify patterns and make predictions, their pathways don't change in real time and they don't reflect on what they're doing. It's more like an expert filing system than a creative problem solver. For instance, a human solving a problem might draw from emotions, past mistakes, and dreams. At least for now, AI cannot dream or engage in that kind of holistic, non-linear processing. Creativity often comes from combining seemingly unrelated ideas. Ever heard of the eureka moment? Psychologist Graham Wallace described it as the illumination phase in problem solving. That flash of insight that feels almost magical. AI doesn't experience that. It's great at blending existing patterns, but it can't dream up something genuinely new. And here's a wild thought. One of our biggest advantages over AI is our ability to make mistakes. Sounds odd, right? But think about it. Mistakes lead to breakthroughs. Penicillin, X-rays, and even Post-it notes were all discovered by accident. Mistakes force us to think differently, to question assumptions, and to innovate. One of the most fascinating differences between AI and the human brain lies in adaptability. Our brains are neuroplastic, meaning they can rewire themselves in response to new experiences. This is why stroke patients can sometimes regain lost abilities. Other parts of their brain take over the damaged areas. AI systems are designed to follow specific algorithms and are dependent on the data they are trained on. When the parameters or the scope of the data changes, AI often needs to be retrained to adapt to the new conditions. This process isn't as flexible as human learning, which can quickly adjust to new, unforeseen circumstances. Unlike humans, who can improvise and think creatively in unpredictable scenarios, AI is more limited in its ability to adapt without significant intervention. So while AI can execute predefined tasks flawlessly, at the moment, it still lacks the flexibility that allows us to adapt, innovate, and excel in unforeseen circumstances. This flexibility is why humans remain indispensable even as AI becomes more powerful. Human beings possess something no machine can replicate: self-consciousness and free will. These unique traits enable us to reflect on our existence, adapt to new challenges, and chart our own future. While AI can take on tasks based on predefined rules and algorithms, it lacks the awareness and ability to make choices based on values, ethics, or emotions, traits inherent to humanity. Self-consciousness allows us to reflect on our thoughts, dreams, and experiences, and free will enables us to make choices not dictated by external programming. This means that even as AI continues to evolve and take over more procedural and repetitive tasks, the essence of what it means to be human remains untouchable. These abilities are what keep humans at the helm, guiding AI rather than being overtaken by it. AI is a tool created and directed by human minds. Its potential is boundless, but it is human creativity, willpower, and judgment that will ensure we continue to steer it toward progress. AI isn't just a tool for progress, it's a gateway to redefining how humanity interacts with technology. To thrive in an AI-powered world, we must adapt quickly, seize opportunities, and remain open to change. The key is not to resist technological evolution, but to embrace it and integrate it into our daily lives. Much like the shifts during each tide of industrial revolutions in the past, such as the first industrial revolution with its steam engines, the second industrial revolution driven by electricity, and the third marked by computers and automation, this era of AI is about transition, not elimination. In every wave of transformation, old jobs gave way to new industries, replacing manual labor with machines and creating opportunities for innovation and economic growth. Embrace lifelong learning to stay ahead. Let AI handle repetitive tasks, while we focus on areas where human creativity, adaptability, and empathy are irreplaceable. This is not just an opportunity for the big players. It's a chance for every single person who dares to catch up and evolve in this new era. As we close, remember this: AI isn't a threat, but an extension of our potential. Imagine a future where the efficiency of AI merges with the ingenuity of the human brain, creating a symbiotic relationship. With advances in neural interfaces and brain-machine technology, the line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence may blur, allowing us to enhance creativity, adaptability, and problem-solving in unprecedented ways. Here's the wrap-up. Our uniqueness lies in our consciousness, free will, and emotional depth. These traits empower us to not just adapt to the AI revolution, but to lead it into a future defined by collaboration and innovation. Imagine a future where human ingenuity and adaptability merge seamlessly with AI's unparalleled efficiency. This isn't about AI replacing us. It's about evolving together. By harnessing AI's capabilities, such as its ability to analyze vast data sets, automate repetitive tasks, and optimize complex processes, while staying true to our innate creativity, empathy, and willpower, we can unlock solutions to challenges once deemed insurmountable. From combating climate change to exploring scientific frontiers, curing challenging diseases, and enriching human life, The collaboration between humans and AI promises a more innovative and inclusive future. So, that's all for today's video. If you find it inspiring or helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. And see you in the next video.